Alright, so let's say I wanted to find the derivative of 2 to the power of x. So how would I do this? In order to do this, I'm going to introduce a rule called the exponential rule. So the exponential rule is as follows. So this is the exponential rule. Now let's apply it to this right here. So this would equal, this has the same format as you can see of this. This is a number, which is a, in this case, a equals 2 to the power of x. So in order to find the derivative, I would just do the natural log of a, which is 2, times 2 to the power of x. And this is your answer. Let's do one more example. So let's say I had d by dx of 3 times 5 to the power of x. How would I solve this? Well, first I would use the constant multiple rule to take out this 3 and do this. So now you have the exact same thing that you had before, except you have a equals 5. So to solve this, I would do 3 times the natural log of a, which is 5, times 5 to the power of x. This equals 3 ln, or the natural log, of 5 times 5 to the power of x. And this is your answer. Now there is a special case to this rule. You might know this case already, but the case is if a equals e. So if a equals, and this is a special case, so I'm going to do it in a different color. So special case. The special case is if a equals e. In that case, you would have f of x equals e to the power of x. And so to solve this, you would do, well, it doesn't change. It just becomes ex, e to the power of x. And the reason why is because if you still follow the same pattern right here, and you set this equal to the natural log of e times e to the power of x, well, what would happen is the natural log and the e cancel out. So this equals e to the power of x. So let's do another one of these examples. Let's say I had 3 times e to the power of x. So same thing, I would use the constant multiple rule to take out that 3, then find the derivative of e to the power of x. And this, as we know, is just e to the power of x. So this just equals 3 times e to the power of x, which is equal to 3ex. And that's your answer. I hope you found this video helpful.